Hey everyone, I'm excited to bring you this plastic folding storage bin here for an unboxing and review and setup. So you pull the thing out of the box and open up the 4 panels. They've got hinges on them and they're connected to the bottom piece. You just pull them open and then you want to snap the corners into place. That's what secures them. Snap all the corners into place and you'll take the cover that's on the bottom and snap it on the top. You can smack it down with one hand to secure it in place. Super easy assembly. These doors are nice too because they've got little magnetic shutters on them, and the doors are slightly tinted but not too tinted to where you can't see what's in there. You store a bunch of stuff in these storage bins, and I'll kind of show you all the items that'll fit in there. I got some mini chainsaws, some tool bags, put all kinds of things in there. I'd like to have a whole bunch of these, but great unit. Like it. Thanks for watching, you guys.